Today, we're keeping our gloves on our person and never losing them again with the help of our new pack of Firefighter glove straps. They come shipped to your door with a pack of 3 super rugged and durable straps. The straps have a reflective strip along the side and is super eye-catching. It stands out in the dark. When the light hits it, it reflects light around it so you won't be missed. Then the Velcro is really strong too. Wrap the strap around and stick it to the other side. Between that and the strong metal clamp, you won't be losing anything. Now, you can wrap these around your work gloves and hang them from your side when you're not using them. I'm constantly having to take on and off my gloves to adjust the camera, and these straps make it so much easier. The straps are 9.1 inches long and give you plenty of room to work with, and the pack comes with 3 of them. I have 1 for my gloves, and then I've been using the other 2 in the barn. The strong Velcro and clips make it so I can hold and store things in odd places. Now I thought, what's a product test without really testing it? So I grabbed a post pounder and put the glove strap through the handle. This thing is like 15 pounds, and the glove straps are designed for gloves. Surely I wouldn't be able to hold this. Correction, 18.5 pound post pounder. But I was wrong. It actually supports the weight and makes a nice little storage spot. Now that I know it's actually durable, I've been using them tons around the barn. I love the nice little clamp and Velcro strap. I'm able to easily strap it down and move it around wherever I may need it. Now I can hold things in place, add some extra security to things, be seen from a mile away, and above all else, never lose my gloves again. So if you're looking for a convenient way to carry your gloves when they're not on your hands, these fireman straps might just be for you. If you'd like to get a pack for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the barn to see what other heavy things I can carry with these straps. See ya!